When reliability matters, turn to Cybernet manufacturing. The modern business needs technology that's not only fast, but can go anywhere and do anything. It needs technology that can handle whatever is thrown at it. That's why we at Cybernet created the rugged X10, a tablet that can handle anything, literally. The rugged X10 is built to military specifications and designed to withstand drops and all kinds of physical damage. See, it still works, but this was just carpet. What if it fell on something harder, like concrete? Not a scratch. Now I know what you're thinking. Jay, that was only a few feet. That doesn't really impress me. What if we dropped it from really high, like say, from the top of a forklift? Well, there you have it. The Cybernet Rugged X10 really lives up to its name.